how to use cash on delivery on Aliexpress. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Pipan Basnat, and today I'll guide you on how you can use cash on delivery option on Aliexpress. Now, first things first, what you'll have to know is you can easily use cash on delivery option easily, like unlike any other website. So you can simply head into checkout, and there on the payment method you want to enter in your delivery address, and on the payment method you can select the cash on delivery option. However, what you'll have to know is you'll have to see if that product is qualified for direct shipping. So COD or cash on delivery can only be used for products that qualify for Aliexpress direct shipping, and it is available between the particular order amount only. So the system will use Aliexpress Direct as the default shipping logistic, but you can change your shipping preferences in the item detail as well. You can simply add it to your cart, the item that you wish to buy, if it is available for direct shipping. Then simply go ahead and place the order, and on the payment option there you can select cash on delivery option. So hope this helps you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.